Suede is a delicate material that has a reputation for being difficult to care for. But we're here to show you that with Jason Markk care products and the proper technique, it's anything but. Here are the materials you'll need. 1. Suede handle brush and suede eraser, sold together in our suede cleaning kit. 2. Ready-to-use foam cleaner. 3. Delicates cleaning brush. 4. Premium microfiber towel. 5. Repel. The first step is to give the upper of the shoes a dry brush by gently brushing the suede back and forth using your suede handle brush. This will remove any top layer dust and dirt. Next, use the suede eraser to erase any stubborn marks. Use very light pressure and be gentle so as to not damage the delicate material. The rubber of the suede eraser lifts the nap of the suede and helps to loosen up the dirt. Finally, use the suede handle brush to brush the dirt away. In most cases, following the above instructions will result in stellar results. However, in the case that your suede needs a deeper cleaning, continue on to these next steps. Apply a liberal amount of ready-to-use foam cleaner onto the bristles of your Delicates cleaning brush. The light and fluffy foam will clean the suede without oversaturating the material. Next, using light pressure, scrub the entire upper of the shoes using a circular motion. Be sure to give heavily soiled areas a bit more attention. Then, using your premium microfiber towel, dab and twist the suede, soaking up as much liquid as possible. Continue this step for several minutes. The suede will begin to evenly dry and the nap of the suede will begin to lift. The drying process is a time-consuming step, but very necessary. If you leave the shoes to air dry and skip this step, the nap of the suede will mat down and it will be extremely difficult to bring back. At this point, use your suede handle brush to work the nap of the suede back and forth to restore its buttery nap. Now that the uppers of the shoes are clean, don't forget to give your midsoles a good scrub and wipe as well. To complete the Jason Markk care session, we highly recommend applying a coat of Repel to protect against spills, dirt, and weather. To apply Repel, hold the bottle upright 6 to 8 inches from the suede, prime the trigger several times, and spray mist evenly covering the entire surface area. Do not oversaturate. Allow the suede to completely dry before exposing it to liquid or dirt.